Understanding, apprehensive about, master English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that can be a little tricky for learners: apprehensive about. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you express your feelings more accurately in English. So, let's get started and demystify what it means to be apprehensive about something. Apprehensive about is a phrase used to describe a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. The word apprehensive comes from the Latin root prehendere, which means to seize or to grasp. When you are apprehensive about something, it's as though your concerns have seized your mind, making you feel anxious about what's to come. Example: she was apprehensive about moving to a new city. In this example, being apprehensive about moving to a new city means the person is worried about the uncertainties and challenges of relocating to a different place. Using apprehensive about correctly in a sentence can help you communicate your feelings more precisely. Here's how you can integrate this phrase into your everyday conversations and writing. 1. Identify the cause of worry. Start by thinking about what specifically is causing you to feel apprehensive. This will be the object of the preposition about. 2. Construct your sentence. Place the phrase apprehensive about after the subject of your sentence, followed by the reason for your apprehension. Example: I'm apprehensive about the exam tomorrow. This sentence clearly expresses worry about the exam, highlighting the cause of the apprehension. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial in mastering a language, and knowing synonyms for apprehensive about can help you express nuances in your feelings. Here are a few alternatives. Worried about. This is a more general term for expressing concern. Nervous about. Similar to apprehensive but often used in contexts of anxiety about specific upcoming events. Anxious about implies a stronger level of worry, often with a sense of dread. Using different terms allows you to express varying degrees of concern, making your communication more precise and nuanced. Thank you for joining us today to explore the phrase apprehensive about. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a valuable expression to your English vocabulary toolkit. Remember, feeling apprehensive about new phrases is normal, but with practice, you'll become more confident in your language skills. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, and don't be apprehensive about trying out your new phrases in real-life situations.